Hi guys, welcome to another video. So in this video I plan to shoot shoot about what you call the kitchen tour in my office. So let's have a look. So once you entered into the office, you can see this is the open kitchen. So we have everything. So let's start with one. So this will be the coffee machine. So this is Cafe Touch coffee machines, and we have this stuff, the coffee powder, as well as the choco powder, and everything is there. And if you see, you can open this one and you can put the milk over here. So it's everything is there in the fridge. So if you want to have a coffee, you can have it. So there's a first aid box, and is there any emergency happens, and you can see the coffee bean powder is there. So that's good. And if you see here, the kitchen papers, and let's see on this. So that's empty one. So there are some mugs over here. Some birthday candles, and these are the plates. And glasses for the water. And we have a special thing: wash your hands always. It's empty one. So in this one we have some beers over there, and there's a microwave, and I'm gonna open the fridge. So these are the fridge. You can see we have milk, and I don't think there's anything on the deep freezer, nothing. So we have milk. It should be. So this is the fridge. We have the freezer. We have some ice cream over there. Hope we have one. Yeah, a bit later. There's a freezer, and we have dishwasher as well. You can see. The dishwasher. This is the free fruit for the guys. Alright guys, hope you enjoy this video. So don't forget to subscribe. That's the most important. So please do subscribe and click the share button and click the like button, whichever you like. But thank you for visiting my video. That's the most important thing. And see you on another video. Thank you guys for your support. And if you want to see the whole video of my office, I have put it on the description below. So don't forget to watch that videos. So nothing to say much. Thank you guys. Thank you for your support, and I'll be making more videos, so your views are more encouraged to see, to do more videos. So I'm gonna grab Pepsi. I'm tired of talking. Let's grab it's Pepsi Max. That's good. Yeah. See you guys. Bye.